While you're watching this video, I'm earning passive income with 1,000 motivational shorts, all generated in just 20 minutes using AI. Now you might be wondering, 1,000 shorts in just 20 minutes? How's this even possible? Well, everything is possible in the world of AI. In this video, I'll show you the secret sauce to creating your own 1,000 shorts with AI and the secret and untapped ways to monetize them. Trust me, nobody's talking about this on YouTube. You are the first one in this game. This video will guide you step by step. Make sure not to miss a single part. Otherwise, don't complain that it's not working for me. Let's dive into it. Imagine having your own newsletter with a monetization method like this. Your viewers simply need to add their email, and you'll earn $4 to $5 per email subscription. Now, let's say your video gets 1 million views, and out of those, 1,000 people subscribe by adding their email. That means you can make $5,000 from just one video. But wait, there's more. The method I'll show you is likely to get even higher conversion rates because of the $0 product price. Your audience will be eager to add their email and grab your free offer, driving even more success for you. Introducing Beehive, a fantastic platform that brings you a lucrative income opportunity. Depending on your niche, you can earn between $2 to $4 for every referral. But here's where things get even more exciting. Meet Boost. This incredible feature will skyrocket your earnings. The first step is to sign up for Beehive. Once you're in, create your personalized landing page, showcasing your unique style and value. Now join the Beehive Boost program. Yes, there's a $1.99 monthly cost, but you only need to refer 25 people to cover it. Sign up using the link in the description to get a free trial. Don't miss it. Now that you're part of Beehive, let's dive deep into your niche. Business newsletters tend to offer higher payouts, making it a great place to start. And here's the secret to attracting subscribers like never before. Free products. These can be templates, ebooks, or videos. Valuable resources your audience can't resist. You can find such digital products on platforms like plr.me. Choose a money-making ebook, modify them to avoid copyright issues, and you have an irresistible offering for your newsletter signups. Now, you need to add a strong call to action to your video, like I have a free ebook waiting for you in my bio. This powerful statement will encourage more people to join your newsletter and explore your valuable content. By combining Opus Pro's ability to create viral videos effortlessly and monetize them with this method, you can't even imagine how much money you can possibly make. Let me share the video idea with you. The concept is about converting long podcasts into short motivational videos. You've probably seen the shorts like this on social media.
Do you have something to prove? I think everybody on the planet has something to prove.
So when are you planning on settling down?
Either settle down in 2 years or...
My father's Iranian. He fled during the revolution, and he was always big on education. He always said this to me.
Such shorts getting millions of views easily. But the process of cutting lengthy videos, adding captions and sounds is time-consuming and challenging, especially for someone like me who prefers an easier way. What if I told you there's a solution? Introducing Opus Pro, an AI tool that simplifies the entire process with just one click. All you need to do is grab any long-form podcast link from YouTube, paste it into Opus Pro, and click on Get Clips. Within seconds, it will generate multiple viral-worthy short videos ready to be uploaded on various social media platforms. Not only that, it will even provide you with catchy titles that have a higher chance of going viral, along with a virality score based on AI analysis of thousands of already viral videos. You can repeat this process until you have an impressive collection of 1,000 shorts. And that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you found this information valuable. But before you leave, let's team up and conquer that pesky subscribe button. Give it a good tap right now so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you soon. Bye.